In this video, I'll show you how to send resume through email in mobile. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the Compose button. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Type a subject, such as Job Application. Write a short message in the email body. Tap the Attach paperclip icon. Select File. Open the folder where your resume is saved. Choose your resume file. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Make sure the resume is attached to your email. Double-check the recipient's email address and your message. Tap the Send button. Your resume will be sent successfully. That's it. This is how you can send your resume through email on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.